How to choose who can send you direct message on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open your TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, go to profile, open your profile, then go to the three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy and go to direct message. Then click direct message here, and here you can choose who can send you direct message on TikTok, like everything you want. That's it. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.